Welcome to the Museum of Interesting Things. I'm Denny Daniel, and I am curator and founder of the Museum of Interesting Things. We show the history of invention. It's a dental tooth extractor from the mid-1800s. You'd basically say ah, put that around your molar, and go The whole point behind the Museum of Interesting Things is that you get to interact with the items. So that is a 3D camera. And it would take two pictures at the same time. What'd that middle one do? That would take your soul. You get to actually touch and learn about them. This was part of the steeplechase ride at Coney Island. First we need our quarter. And we're going to take our quarter right over here and we're going to put it in our early 1900s mutoscope. It's all about stories. So this is A Trip to the Moon, the famous George Méliès film. The museum has multiple flavors. First of all, I have my physical location that people will come and book an appointment to see. So here we have a catalog of magic lantern slides of just secret societies. This is one of my favorite pieces. It is a Thomas Edison cylinder record player. They were invented in the 1870s. But mostly what we do is we travel. So this is part of the Enigma coding machine from World War II. It looks like a Volkswagen, but actually it's a Volkswagen record player. There's a needle on the bottom, and then you put the record on the floor, and it drives around your record and plays it as it's driving. How cool is that? It travels to libraries, to senior centers, science fairs, and things like that. So that is an original Ernst Planck glass slide. And what you would do is you would put this inside the magic lantern, and then you would light your match, light your oil lamp, and then you would tell your magic lantern story. Often, defense contractors would make cool things that would blow things up, and then they would use the same technology to make games for kids. It's called the Solar Space Phone, and if you love this graphic, you will love the telephone, because there it is, the Solar Space Phone. The whole point behind the Museum of Interesting Things is that we come to you, or you come to us. These are the original organ grinders, or barrel organs. Joe was from New Jersey, and he actually would do this on the streets of New York. This is the actual monkey's cup. My favorite thing about the Museum of Interesting Things is taking it to schools and teaching kids. I wanted to inspire the next generation to be curious, to tinker again, to have that positive attitude that we all grew up with.